Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice here in Stellaris. One of our planets is starving. It's okay, we're fixing it. I don't know where we got like 4 new people anyway, out of nowhere. But things are funny. I think people have been immigrating, but that's okay. We are currently at war, and last episode, you know what? Mistakes were made, all right? Mistakes were made, but it wasn't even. They weren't even interesting mistakes. So our Iroquois folks, they decided that they wanted a piece of the Republic of Tendor, and I said, yeah, sure, let's do it. Everybody was, we're all for it. They need to go down, and I like the Iroquois, so have their stuff. It's fine. Well, the first thing the Republic of Tendor did was say, you know what? These guys didn't build up their fleet enough. F you. They ran on into here, into the Zara sector, and blew up a bunch of our stuff. So we lost a spaceport, which we're not going to rebuild yet. These guys are leaving. They actually beat the snot out of this planet and then just left. They didn't even bother invading it. They're currently getting the crap kicked out of them by the rest of our little our folks. They're just it's currently 25% war score. It was a war score in our favor, from what I can tell. We are building up our fleet. It's pretty good. It's just not great yet. We are currently upgrading our fleet, and there will be battles this episode. I just can't guarantee that we're gonna be in them, but there will be battles. Also, we're probably going to overbuild our naval capacity, because one thing we're not really lacking for is money, so we'll deal with it. So let's move along. And I still don't know how long it's going to be before this guy, the first fleet, actually gets upgraded, but what are you going to do? Hey, Schiaparelli, be interesting, okay? Oh, that's not interesting. Yeah, survey this system, way there on the edge of the galaxy. Hang on. What do you got? Oh, wow. Yeah, I could take them down. Not with the science ship. Okay, retreat. Come down here. Survey system. Yeah. Come on, guys. When are you going to be done? When are you going to be done? Oh, finally, we're surveying the system. Oh, yes. Go, Cassini, go. Okay. Lazy construction ship will keep you lazy, it's fine. And then Murano. Hey, why don't you build us another couple of... What do you say? Actually, what do we have? Let's check our first fleet. What is here? Could use another laser, another torpedo, maybe not another... Yeah, another laser, another torpedo, and another disruptor. Yeah, that's what I think. Oh, we have 2 lasers already. How about just start with another disruptor? And then we can't build anything else. Let's go with that. Let's go with that. And another lazy construction ship. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, we got... ooh, nice. One more... Tell you what, give me one more research station. Yeah. There we go. And then before too long, actually, what's this? It's going to cost to build a frontier outpost. Only 100. You know, I say we go for 100. Go for a frontier outpost out here. It's going to decrease the amount of influence we get, but that's okay. Wow, monthly gain is +6. Holy crap. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Get us another frontier. This is such a great system. Such a great system. Let's do it.
Research complete.
Come on, when are you going to be done? When are you going to be done? Ooh, cold fusion power. We will play with that after this war. Ooh, ion disruptors. Oh. Oh. It makes me feel all tingly inside. Ooh. Maybe we finish... Let's just finish improved deflectors, though. Yeah, let's just do it. 21 months, that's okay. Gosh, we need more. We need more science. We need more. It's so bad. Yeah, look at that Teutonic fleet. Just doing whatever it wants, you know. Research that. That's a 0% failure risk.
System survey complete.
Okay, one thing I'm trying to do here is this. I'm trying to get Admiral Saverio Faliero to be commanding this fleet. Not Niccolo Mocenigo. No, Mocenigo, sorry. Galilei, what do you got? Anything good over here? In Siet? No, not really. We'll just head on out to the edge of the known galaxy. Yeah, you think? Ooh, hey. Oh, no. I was gonna say I thought I saw a nice pile of war score, but oh, it looks like, yeah, there was a big space battle, but all the big space battles are over. Sorry. Okay, Hazra 3A is uninhabited, and indeed uninhabitable, but not unvisited. Its surface is littered with tall cenotaphs carved from some mineral not native to the planet, evidently placed here by some artistically inclined spacefaring race. The monolith's flowing lines deftly chart a history so fantastical it must surely be fictional. Surely. And we get a bunch of engineering research. That's fine.
System survey complete. Construction
ship. Good deal. Oh yeah, look at this system. Look at that system. So good. System survey. What do you got? That's not bad. Survey the system. Thank you. Construction ship. Come home and don't be lazy. Actually, come here. Enter orbit. Yeah, we really haven't been helping out much. Hostile fleets present. Where are you? Oh, that's a nice system. There's an ocean world there. A 24 size ocean world. Look at that. And we can't survey it because of this stupid space amoeba. So we'll deal with that in a sec. We'll send some dudes over. It'll be fine. What happens if you... It's a 15% failure risk. Ugh. Who even asked you? Right? Okay. Go over here and survey that system. Yeah, this war's about to be over, and we did virtually nothing to make it happen. But that's okay. We're bad. Well, we distracted them. That's what happened. We distracted them. And there go the Iroquois. Yeah, look at them. Look at them. Now we have a lot of border friction. That's okay. I really don't care. And, so, hey. Tendrakian Union. Hey, how about we should establish an embassy with them at some point. Have a trade deal with the Iroquois consciousness. I think that's a non-aggression pact. Okay, so there we go. One of our rivals is completely and utterly gone. Are the British at war? They must be at peace. They're still not at peace. Ugh. I think we rival the Papal State. I think. Are you rivaled with anybody good? Not really. Ooh. The Habsburgs are at minus 20 at this point, but I think that can flip. Oh wow, that will flip. As soon as they go friendly, and they will go friendly, that'll flip. Ooh, yeah. And there's the Habsburg little story. There it is. It's right there. Pause. Read. I'm not reading it for you. I'm sorry. I think we rival the Papal State. I don't know. Yeah, I think we rival the Papal State. Declare rivalry. Yes. Plus 0.13 influence each month. Wow. I didn't realize it would be that small. Unfriendly. Yeah, well, That's about right. Okay. So, good job, Iroquois. Good job. Good job. How's your fleet? Yeah, equivalent. Okay. Their fleet power is inferior. Their naval capacity is superior because they didn't watch one of their spaceports get blown up. Spaceport, when can we build you? 360. Oh, we can build you right now. Yeah. Laser module. Missile defense. Yeah, laser module. Let's go.
Construction complete.
Actually, let's build us another one. Hey, what is our... Actually, hang on. What is our president good at? I always forget to check this. What is our president good at? But that's not what I'm doing right now. I'm actually doing something else. Ooh. We can upgrade our farms. I didn't realize we could do that. Did we just get that tech? Hydroponics farm 1. Okay. Well, we'll do that for a couple of things. Maybe we needed planetary administration. It was taking us forever to get that. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're definitely going to build hydroponics farm 1 here. And we're going to start destroying some of these hydroponic farms. And then build a basic science lab. Oh, don't do that. Let's clear this tile blocker first. And then this one. And then this one? It's pretty cheap. And it uses our money, which is kind of nice. We have lots of money. Okay, so who's in charge of this? How is Niccolo Mocenigo in charge here? He should not be in charge here. Niccolo Mocenigo. I don't want Niccolo Mocenigo in charge of this. And then, what does it say that this is doing? Preparing for ship upgrades. Venezia. I don't get it. Are they never going to be fully upgraded? This fleet is already being upgraded. I'm not sure I believe you. You've been upgrading for a good long time.
Complete.
Hey, hang on. The Tendrakian Union. Oh. Iroquois consciousness vassalized. Okay, that's what I was expecting. For whatever reason, I was thinking that they were asking us to vassalize, but no. Okay, cool. Vassalization request. Good work. Get them into the little... Get them into our little democracy pile. Right? Right. Ooh, habitability plus 5%. That's not bad, actually. Ooh, hang on. Hyper Entertainment Forum. Happiness plus 15%. It costs money, but we got money. Alright. Hyper Entertainment Forum it is. It's a rare tech. It's gonna take a while. Yeah, like 4 years. Pretty close. Pretty close to, yeah. Whew. Hey, where's Cassini? Okay, you're there. Go over here. Research that. I don't believe that this is actually upgrading. And scientist Giovanni Pirulli has leveled up. Good work. Look at that, 4 physics neutron star. Good stuff. I'll take that. Second fleet. Come on and join up.
Research complete. System survey complete.
Okay, anomaly found. 12% risk? Yeah, let's do it. System survey, okay, that's fine. Research complete. Mining network 3, excellent. What else do we want? Do we want autocannons? Autocannons are nice. Autocannons are mighty nice. Yeah, let's do it. Autocannons, okay. I think we don't have a kinetic... I don't think we have any kinetic tech yet. Yeah, let's do it. We'll have a kinetic arm of our fleet. It'll be great. Still don't know how Niccolo Mocenigo just refuses to give up on this fleet. And the big blue blob. No, no, not Finland. The big blue blob has declared Finland their rival. It's so sad. It's so sad. Okay, some sort of signal originates from the remains of an antenna-like structure. Exploratory probes were dispatched from the Galilei to the surface to investigate the matter more closely. Here, a cavernous vault in Pridehofen was evidently the last safe house and refuge of some long-dead race of aliens. Reasonably technologically advanced, they never reached the stars and perished to some planet-wide natural disaster. The vault is immense. Oh. Special project in Limbo. Do we want that?
Situation log updated.
Do we want that? Let's do it. We'll take at most 2 months to complete. Okay, let's do it. I don't believe these guys are upgrading. I just don't.
Special project complete.
Hang on. Hang on. I wonder if... Oh, I know what happened. They weren't upgrading because it actually required a certain threshold amount of minerals, and I think it was over about 400, and now... Okay, now they're upgrading. That's what it is. I'd never started an upgrade without having enough minerals around, so that's what's going on. The vault is a tomb for hopeful immortals. Let data aliens lie? No. You know what? I think we do let data aliens lie, because we're never going to go with robots. And I don't know how this ends, but I suspect this has something to do with, like, if we had robotic technology, we would, or like higher end AI technology, we could get them to resurrect, but I think we just go with the engineering research. And then, okay, Galilei is lazy. What are you doing? First off, where are you? Oh, you're over there. Okay. Why don't you survey this system, and then survey this system. Let's see what we got. Has anybody settled out here? No, they haven't. Okay, that's fine. The Teutons. This is new. Yeah, you've been claiming some space. Good stuff, good stuff. Hey, what do you got? They're at a -19. The Habsburgs are at a -19 to join our little thing. That's fine. England, are you done yet? No. Man, they've been at peace forever. They've been at war forever. Wow. Yeah, we gotta get this Grand Duchy going. How's your fleet power equivalent? See, their fleet power is superior, and then everything else is equivalent. That's a little scary to me. It's just kind of scary to me. But we have a...
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
Finally.
System survey complete.
Schiaparelli? What are you doing? Why don't you survey that? Ooh, hey, construction ship. Oh, yes. Okay, we don't have the minerals for it yet, but we are going to deck this place out. Zeobeer? Oh yeah. You're ours. So ours. And at some point we'll have to get Voon just to get it. Or Kosk. Actually, Kosk could do the job. We could settle here on a continental world. Robotic remains. Oh, which gives us research. That's all it does. Okay. City ruins. Interesting. I kind of want to settle that just to see what happens. There should be events for that. Like, as you're settling someplace that has robotic remains, that'd be awesome. Oh, hey, there's some, There's another place I could mine over here. In Hazara. That's cool. Wilberto Contarini has leveled up. Oh, a governor. Nice. A Teutonic Order has declared Finland the rival. Oh, Finland. It's too bad. Love you, but, it's just not gonna happen. It's spaceport of Venezia has completed its construction. Oh, I know what that is. Okay. I know what that is. Okay, so again, we are low on
Anomaly found.
low on minerals. Let's research that. It's a 5%er. But we are gaining minerals, and we're about to be gaining even more because we're going to
Construction complete.
blitz Zeobir. Murano has finished construction queue. Thank you. And the Aztec Empire seek to... Ooh. The Aztec Empire actually just established an embassy with us. Interesting. How's the surface of Murano doing? 6 food. Alright. Alright. Well, let's clear some more kelp, shall we? Let's get that done first. Where's the next guy going? There? That's fine. Let's build a mine here. You know what? We may actually build a mineral processing plant on this place. But for now, let's get a mining network. And yes, we are going to suppress some food. What I like to do is take a few of these hydroponics farms and upgrade the crap out of them. So that then we take a couple of the like this one's just gonna go away eventually. We're just gonna get rid of it. And when we do, then we can put something else in that spot. You know, something science or minerals or something like that. So yeah, just get a few really, really highly upgraded farms and the rest of it, and that'll feed the rest of the planet, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Construction ship. Yeah, you still don't have the minerals, but next month you will. Get the best mineral pile you got. Gigantic skeleton! Investigate gigantic skeleton.
Situation log updated.
Yeah, sure. I like gigantic skeletons. Go for it. Where is this? It's kind of an annoying little thing that it does. Situation log. Where is this? Ixaros 2B. Where's Ixaros 2B? Ixaros 2B is right here. You are level 4, so why don't you actually do the thing, even though you're kind of in orbit, so just do it. Just do it. Oh, survey system. Yeah, okay, cool. Construction ship? You ready? You ready? Are you ready for this? Oh, I'm ready for this. Give me the one that gets the most minerals. It's actually only this 4 over here. Mining station. Yeah.
Special project complete.
Excellent.
System
We got
survey
another
complete.
zoo creature. Oh, hey. Cassini's done. Where's Cassini? Oh, you're there. Research that. Then research that. Okay. Ooh, Blorsbane. Hey. What is this? That's just a science vessel. So, yeah, there's Betharian stone there. That's being used? It's not in anybody's territory. Whoa, look at that. 10 minerals there. Not bad. Okay, Schiaparelli. Don't be dumb. Survey this. Okay, now, are there any good... Oh, there are 2 ocean worlds in this system. Nice. There is nothing here. This is the worst system ever. Look at this system. There's nothing there. Loser. Loser system. Loser system is loser. Okay, so we'll survey over here. What do we got? Hostile fleets. Yeah, get out of there. It's fine. First fleet is good and big. Good and powerful. You guys have an equivalent. Okay, fleet power is equivalent. So we're going to go after these guys pretty quick, I think. Just want to finish them off. Are you done yet? Are you done yet? Give me a solar power now. Solar panel network. We have the capacity now, so that's good. that's our timer. This construction ship right there. Come on up here and give me a mining station. Yeah, it's an additional two minerals per month, so that's nice. And then Naxos. We're gonna have to play with Naxos a little bit. We gotta get them ready to go. Oh, you're moving. Migrating to Murano. Interesting. Okay. At some point soon, we're going to move one of our governors. Yeah, it still says Niccolo Mocenigo is in charge of this. It's not. He's not. I'm tempted to disband Niccolo Mocenigo. Like, to just tell him that he does not exist. He cannot be in charge of this thing. Because Gale Speed and Aggressive are just demonstrably better than Sensor Range and Trickster. It just is. Even though this guy's 39, the inferior guy's 39, and the superior guy is 58. And so he's gonna die sooner. Okay, so how about them governors? Murano. Yeah, Slaver, good work. Good work, Iron Fist, moron. So all this guy does really is do clear blocker cost. But he also, just because of his rank, he's actually really good for Murano. So we'll upgrade Murano as well as we can, and then we're going to send him over to a different spot and then just clear out the tiles a bunch. Ooh. Yeah, mining network 1. Let's get another mining network here. There we go. Because it's cheap. There we go. Alliance invitation. The Mengetti consciousness joined the righteous axis. Mengetti the Hanseatic League. The Hanseatic League now has allies. They're a big one. Whoa, hang on. Whoa. Yeah, they can't be invited to our alliance because they are already in an alliance. That is kind of too bad. Okay. That's a big pile of dudes there. Are you still at war? No. Yeah, it's we will become friendly with the Habsburgs soon enough. It will happen. Okay, unemployment. What do you got? Murano? Yep. Figures. People are just immigrating to Murano. It's crazy. Except what you're gonna do is just move down there. No, what you're gonna do is move here. Where you're gonna actually work something, you moron. Do we want minerals? I think we go minerals in this spot. I think that's what we do. I think this world is going to be primarily a mineral world. That's what I think. Just because. Might as well. So let's build us another mineral silo. Yeah. Oh no, hang on. No, not mineral silo. Sorry, mining network. Yes. Okay, thank you. And then I think next episode, we are going to declare war on these bad boys. The Hanflir Grand Duchy. Their fleet power is still superior to ours. Oh, I think it's time we built a few more fleets. Or a few more boats. Let's see what we got. Murano, can you build me? Do we want lasers or disruptors? Or torpedoes? Let's get some disruptors. And I think that's going to do it. Hey, construction ship, what are you doing? yeah, you're being lazy over here. That's fine. We'll play with you later.
Special project complete.
Physics research gained 150. Oh, massive skeletal remains. What is that? There are very faint residual energy readings that indicate some kind of dimensional portal existed briefly towards the rear of the skeleton. Science Officer Giovanni Prioli theorizes that the creature passed through the gateway from another dimension only to quickly perish in the hostile environment of Hixaros 2b. Why it did this and where it came from are questions that may never be answered. But you know what will be answered next time is whether or not we can beat the crap out of the Unfamiliar Grand Duchy. But that'll have to be next time. I keep saying there's going to be battle. There should really be battle. We need to kill some stuff. I will probably upgrade a couple of our designs. Didn't we just get a tech? Oh yeah, we did. We just picked up Cold Fusion. Yes. So I will redo the designs. We will upgrade our ships, and then we're just gonna go at it. That's what we're gonna do next time. And hopefully our allies actually come to our aid. That would be really cool. That would be really, really cool. But they'll have to come to our aid in a future episode. But until then, I enjoyed myself. Hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time.